Oat flakes, a staple in many households, are not just a breakfast tea favorite but also a nutritious ingredient in various dishes. Producing high-quality oat flakes requires a well-designed production line that combines precision and efficiency. Automated systems monitor various parameters such as moisture, content, temperature, and thickness of the flakes to ensure consistency and quality. Any deviations from a set standards are immediately addressed to maintain the high quality of the final product. Producing high-quality oat flakes requires a combination of art and science. A well-designed production line, coupled with strict quality control measures, ensures that every bowl of oat flakes meets the highest standards of taste, texture, and nutrition. As consumer demand for healthy and convenient food options continues to rise, the importance of a well-crafted oat flakes production line